Step-by-step solution. 1. Run launcher as administrator. Close Steam Epic's standalone client. Right-click the Path of Exile 2 launcher, select Run as administrator. This bypasses permission issues that often block large patch downloads. 2. Clear the download cache. Steam, open Steam settings, downloads, click Clear Download Cache. Restart Steam and re-login. Epic Games Launcher. Go to Settings under Path of Exile 2, toggle off Cloud Saves, restart the launcher. Standalone client. Delete content.ggpk only if corrupted. Don't delete blindly. Backup first. Chapter 3. Change your download region. Open your client settings, Steam Epic. Switch your download region to a nearby alternative country. Sometimes servers are overloaded. Restart and try again. Header 4. Use a wired connection. Disable Wi-Fi drops. Wi-Fi interruptions can cause repeated restarts. Plug directly with Ethernet if possible. If stuck on Wi-Fi, disable power saving mode in network adapter properties. 5. Manually repair game files. Steam, right-click Game Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Epic, click 3 dots beside Path of Exile 2, manage Verify Files. Standalone, run paccheck.exe from the install folder. This scans and repairs patch corruption. 6. Flush DNS plus reset WinSock, open command prompt, admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC before retrying download. Chapter 7. Reinstall the launcher, last resort. If none of the above work, uninstall only the launcher, not the game files. Reinstall fresh, point it to your existing game folder, and re-download only missing patch files. After following these steps, most players report the patch downloading smoothly without looping, stalling, or resetting. Do you want me to also make a short SEO title, description, tag